Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the instrument cluster on a 2008 Ford F-150. This video applies to Ford F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Okay, these clusters often give faulty codes like mine, like this brake light right here. So we did deep digging and we figured out it's actually the cluster fault itself. Or the other thing that's often happening is this digital screen here just goes blank and then you can't see anything here, so it has to be either replaced or fixed. Luckily I have a guy who fixes these kind of things. He won't charge me too much, so I'll just pull it out and have it fixed. To access the instrument cluster, first you will have to remove a couple of these plastic trims. The bottom one is held by two 7mm screws. So one is located right here and other one is here on the other side. Now in my case I'll first have to remove this thing, but you won't have it most likely, so this is aftermarket. So once I remove it I will show you the other screw. And once I have this off the way, you'll see the small black 7mm screw here. So first you want to remove those two screws. Okay, these are the screws, and once you have them out you can just easily pop out this panel. It still has two clips on the top side right here. Thing you will have to do, you'll have to pop out this plastic panel, and to do that there are also two black 7mm screws, one here and one here on the other side, so remove those. Once these screws are removed, you will also want to just pop out this plastic piece as well, just like that. Before you can completely remove this plastic piece, there is just one connector here in the back. There is a clip on this inner side which you just have to push and pull it out. Now it's a good idea, before you disconnect any kind of wires or whatever, just disconnect the battery to make sure you don't burn anything. In my case I will not do it because I want to test this odometer while my battery is hooked up, to really actually see if those wires are my problem or not. But to disconnect this one, you just have to squeeze your hand and pull out this connector. You see, okay, there's this clip which you have to just push and then pull it out. Okay, and once you have this out, I will show you on this side here. There are three clips on the top, so once you remove those two bottom screws, you just wanna pop this out on the top. Okay, and I will show you now my problem. You see my brake light is on, and when I wiggle this wire up here, see, off. So my problem is, see, in this odometer, actually not in the wiring harness, but most likely in the odometer, at least what my mechanic told me. So I will take this odometer completely out and I will have it fixed. Okay, now to completely remove this instrument cluster, there are four more 7mm screws. So one is here on the top, one is down here at the bottom, one is here, and one is down here. So remove those four, and once you remove those, you can disconnect those two cables on the top. Once you have removed these four screws, the instrument cluster will be completely loose. So only thing to do is to disconnect these wires on the top. Now these connectors have like a safety thingy here, so you have to pretty much remove this gray thing, you see, but there is this pin here. So what you want to do, you want to push onto this pin with a screwdriver or something, and then pull this gray piece off and just pull it out. Other side the same thing, so you want to push onto this thing and just disconnect it Okay, sorry, I'm a bit clumsy. I'm trying to work with one hand and record with the other hand. Okay, here we go. Okay, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.